this is how you can add a table in Hostinger Website Builder. First, we're going to head over to the Website Builder editor. So just go to builder.hostinger.com. And then for this tutorial, we actually have to use a third-party website because we need to create a table from there. And then we're just going to embed it in our Hostinger. So without further ado, let's just head over to that website. So I'm using tablesgenerator.com. And then as you can see, they already have an embed code right here. We're going to just click on copy to clipboard. We're just going to copy this link, and then from there we're going to head back to our Hostinger page and then click on add element. Now from here, just scroll down until you find this embed code button. We're going to drag it over to our page, and then we're going to embed the code right here. So just going to select all of these and then delete it, and then we're going to paste the copied code that we have just copied from the tables generator. Now from there, we're going to click on embed code, and then as you can see, this is the table that we have created. Let's just check if it matches the table from the tables generator, and then as you can see, it does. It's just a one small box, and it has been applied to our Hostinger page. And that's it. That is how you can add a table in Hostinger Website Builder. You can just adjust this according to how you want, and then that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.